In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp tasks from HubSpot CRM. The integration of these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Whether you're managing sales, tracking leads, or handling projects, this guide will help you link tasks in ClickUp effortlessly from your HubSpot CRM. Let's dive in. To start, you will need to access your HubSpot account. Go ahead and log in, and once you're on your home screen, you'll want to head over to the user guide by clicking the user icon in the upper right corner. This is a handy resource that contains a wealth of information on HubSpot's features, and it'll provide contextual help as we move along. Next, navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. This is your go-to hub for all integrations available within HubSpot. You can access the marketplace by clicking on the marketplace icon, typically found on the main navigation bar. Once you're there, you should see a search bar prominently displayed. In this search bar, type in ClickUp. As you might guess, we're searching for the ClickUp integration. After entering ClickUp in the search bar, you'll see a list of results related to your search. Locate the ClickUp integration package in the results and click on it to proceed. This will bring you to a new page that provides detailed information about the integration. Here, you can learn about what this integration does, the features it offers, and how it can benefit your workflow. At the ClickUp integration page, find the Install button. This button is typically located toward the top of the page, and it's your portal to begin installing the integration. By clicking Install, you'll initiate the process, and HubSpot will guide you through a simple setup. During installation, you might be prompted to authorize the integration. Always make sure you are comfortable with the permissions being requested, as this ensures that all functionalities will work correctly and securely. Once installed, the integration will enable you to seamlessly create ClickUp tasks directly from your HubSpot CRM. This can help centralize your task management and ensure that everything is organized and easily accessible. By following these steps, you now have ClickUp integrated with your HubSpot CRM. This will make it simpler than ever to manage tasks and streamline your processes. With the power of both HubSpot and ClickUp working together, your productivity toolkit is now more robust and efficient. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope this guide helps you in your everyday task management. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to optimize your tools and workflows.